Hello dear students, this is part number 2 of adverbs. In our previous video, I have given you introduction of adverbs and we have started a new topic of grammar, adverbs and degrees of comparison. So in our previous video, I have told you the definition of adverb, that is what? An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb in the sentence. We have also discussed the functional kinds of adverbs and in detail we have done two kinds. One was adverb of time and second was adverb of place. I have told you that if we want to get the adverb of time, we have to frame question with word when in that. Okay, if you are able to get the question, if you are able to frame the question with when and answer of that when, you will get in that particular verb, near verb somewhere. So that is what? Adverb of time. And next is adverb of place and position. So adverb of place or position you can get with the word where, that where this verb or this action happens. So these are the two ideas, these are the basic 2 points which we have discussed. So today in this part of the video we have to do adverbs of manner and adverb of frequency. We will touch next 2 parts of this. Before I want to tell you that suppose here we have done she danced well. So this she is what here? Subject, and danced is what here? Verb. Okay. So and this well word is telling the meaning, is adding the meaning to the, or this is modifying to this verb. So this is what? This well is working as an adverb here. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind, that which verb is that, which word is there which is modifying the meaning of the verb. Clear? Now if we will talk about the position of the adverb in the sentence, it may be in the starting, it may be in the middle, or it may be in the end. Okay, but when we are talking about the functional kinds of the adverbs, mostly you will get it, in most of the cases you will get it near to the verb. But if you are not getting, so you will and if we will using these words like when, where and how many, how often. So if you are able to get the questions of these phrases or the words, you will be easily get the adverbs. Okay, so now let's talk about adverb of manner, which is kind number 3 today we have to do. So manner is what? Manner is how this happens. Like I'll say she danced well here. She is subject, danced is what? Action word, that is the main verb, and well is what? Well is how she danced. She danced well. Okay, so are we able to come to make the question, to frame the question with the word how here? Yes, how she danced, and the answer of how she danced is what? Well. So that how she danced well, that well is the answer. So this well is working as an adverb here. It's quite simple. Okay, just keep in your mind that what an adverb is and how we have to locate the adverb. Okay, very easy, and it will give you pleasure when you will do the exercises of adverbs. You will try to solve more exercises, okay, of these. So adverb of manner, let's understand this with example and more clearly. Adverb of manner is what? When we talk about the definition of adverb of manner, an adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. Please notice I have done this word how here too. How an action is done means कैसे. अगर आप खाना खा रहे हो तो कैसे खा रहे हो? गंदी तरह से खा रहे हो, जल्दी जल्दी खा रहे हो, धीरे धीरे खा रहे हो, किस तरह से खा रहे हो, कैसे खा रहे हो? अगर आप कुछ गाना सुना रहे हो तो बहुत गंदी तरह से सुना रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी तरह से सुना रहे हो. If you are writing something in your notebook, how you are making notes in your notebook? Just see. Whatever you are noting from here, from this video, how you are writing, neatly or it is not clean. Okay, so that is what, how you talk to your parents. अच्छी तरह से बात करते हो, बुरी तरह से बात करते हो, चिढ़ के बात करते हो, बहुत प्यार से बात करते हो. So that कैसे will tell you the adverb of manner. Clear? So let's understand with the examples. I write neatly. I write neatly. I is what here? Subject. Write is what here? Verb. And neatly is what here? Adverb. Because I तो subject हो गया. Write is what? Neatly. अब मैं लिखता कैसे हूँ? कैसे लिखता हूँ? Neatly. Clear? So this is what? Adverb of manner. Next one is read slowly. Read slowly. Clear? So read is what? Verb, and slowly is what? Manner. So this is adverb of manner. Next is she sang beautifully. She sang beautifully. So she is subject, sang is verb, beautifully is adverb. कैसे गाती है? कैसे गाया उसने? So she sang beautifully. Okay, so this beautifully is what? Telling us the manner, that how did she sing. So she sang beautifully. So here this beautifully is adverb of manner. Next one, the essay is well written. This word is well, W-E-L-L. अभी essay कैसे लिखा था? The essay is well written. Now you tell me, the essay is subject here. Is helping verb here. Well is what? Adverb, and written is what? Verb, right? So the essay is well written. How the essay is written? This is what? This is what? Well is what here? This is adverb. So well is adverb of manner. It is written well. Clear? So all those words which tells us about the manner of the action, those are called adverbs of manner. Now I will give you some of the words which are used as adverb of manner. So please note down that too in your notebook. Beautifully and neatly, badly, beautifully, bravely, carefully, clearly, certainly, easily, fast, it's not fastly, hard, ill, neatly, quickly. Okay, so these are the adverbs of manner which you have to note down in your notebook too, but write down clearly and neatly without any mistake. Okay, now let's talk about adverbs of frequency. So if we are talking about frequency of something, so here see what we have done, when, where, this was what? How. Clear? And frequency is what? Frequency is how often. For example, if I'll ask you, how many times you play a game on your mobile while reading, while studying? So what is that? And you will answer, I play game twice a day on mobile. I play game thrice a day. Or I never play game on mobile. And some will be there who will say, I always play game on the mobile. Right? So these words always, never, thrice, these words are telling us that how often, कितनी बार जो है action हो रहा है. Clear? How often means how many times the action is taking place. So you can give here words, the phrase is how often or how many times. You can frame the question with these words here. Okay? Right? So like I eat food thrice a day. So that thrice is what? कितनी बार खाना खाते हो? Thrice, 3 बारी. So that is what? Thrice is what? Adverb of frequency. So let's see the definition first An adverb of time tells us how often an action is done. An adverb of time tells us how often an action is done. Clear? And if we'll talk about the examples here, always speak the truth, that how many times you play game on your mobile. Okay, so this always speak the truth. Speak is verb, the truth is subject here, and always is what? Adverb. So as I've told you, when we talk about the position of the verb, of the adverb in the sentence, that may be in the starting, maybe in the end, or maybe in the middle. But that should tell about the verb. So always speak the truth. And it is one of the example also when you try to search, when you try to locate the subject in the starting of the sentence. But here see, the truth is subject and that is written in the end. Okay. So always speak the truth. The truth is subject, speak is verb, and always is what? How often? How many times? Always. Second is, she seldom comes. She is subject, seldom is adverb, and comes is verb. Okay. I have told him twice. I is subject, have helping verb, told main verb, twice is what? Twice is adverb of frequency. Clear? So these are the adverbs of frequency. Now note down some of the words which are used as adverb of frequency. That is again AGAIN, always, right? Frequently, often, never, rarely, seldom, hourly, monthly, sometimes, weekly, once, twice, usually, and occasionally. And these words are used to locate how many times and how often the action is done. Okay, so that's all about these two parts of adverb of manner and frequency. Write down neatly in your notebook all these notes, take screenshot and learn this for your exam. Towards the last parts of the videos, we will solve the exercises also of your book. Until then, please remind all these adverbs of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, and adverb of frequency. I hope you are doing good and you are healthy and happy. So stay happy and healthy and stay safe too. Thank you very much. Nothing much to say. Take screenshot and note down.